How to set up your own Jellyfin media server at home. Okay, so you can go to your browser. You can browse for Jellyfin and go to downloads. If you're using Windows, choose Windows, go to downloads, look for the current stable builds, the latest one, and then you can click to download that. I already downloaded that folder, that program. The install files, it's under my downloads, so I'm just going to run it here. It's there's the size of the installation files over there. It's not too big. I agree. I'm going to choose the basic install. Select your path that you want to use and install. Should only take a few seconds. Okay, with this Jellyfin, you can set up your own media server, select the folders that you want to add to your server. It can be movies or TV shows or music videos, stuff like that. Basically, it will give you almost like a Netflix experience using your own movies and TV shows. You can also use it over the network at home. So if you have a smart TV, you can even cast it on a smart TV or Chromecast device or Mi Box. Okay, so now it's installed. Gonna run Jellyfin server. Okay, it's gonna say welcome to Jellyfin. Preferred language is English. I'm gonna block that for now. Okay, so first thing is you must set up a username and a password. Okay, choose something that you will remember. I'm going to choose something like user, just normal user. I'm going to give it a small, short password. Next. Okay, now I'm going to add some media. So that's your movies or your TV shows that you want to add. I'm going to click on add media. In the content type, you must choose whether it's movies, music, shows, or whatever. Mine is movies, so I'm going to select movies. You can rename that folder, basically, or not a folder, but your content. You can rename it maybe like movies HD, or latest movies, or action movies. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the plus. With this one, you will have to choose the folder where the movies is located. Okay, you will see I have a few movies in there. You can also use a network path, so if it's maybe saved on a different location, you can also set that up over here. Mine is on my own PC, so I'm going to select my movies folder on my C drive. Okay, the rest of the stuff I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, I'm going to add another one now. This one is for my TV shows. So content type, I'm going to say shows. I'm going to rename this one to series. I'm going to quickly browse for my series folder. There it is. Okay. Rest of the stuff again, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Okay, so now I have movies and I have series here under the content. Next, preferred metadata type data. You can leave it as it is, or you can change it to South Africa or United Kingdom, wherever. allow remote connections to the server. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to deselect that. I do not want to connect remotely to this media server, but if you want to use it, you can actually just check that checkbox. Okay, then we're done. Okay, I'm going to enter my username and my password. I'm going to select remember me because I don't want to type it in every time. Okay, then it will look like this. When you click on the cast, you can maybe cast it to some device at home. It will also start syncing and uploading all the information about the movies that's currently available. Okay, while we wait for this media to download, I'm quickly going to show you where you can set some of the settings. Click on the user over here, and then you can change settings. This is basically just the basic settings that you can set over here, like the controls. You can enable a gamepad. If you want to go to more advanced settings, you can go to the dashboard over here. Okay, with the dashboard, there will be more information available for you. For example, you have your libraries if you want to change something. You have your playback settings that you can change. But if you don't really know what you're doing, I would recommend you just leave the settings as it is by default.